Have you ever wondered where those soft, graceful silk fabrics come from? Few would imagine that it is the tiny silkworms, which at first glance might seem strange and somewhat frightening, that are the source of this wonder. From those tiny cocoons, an arduous and patient journey transforms them into high-quality, intricately refined silk. Isn't that truly a marvel? Let's join together to explore this fascinating and tradition-rich journey. Did you know that sericulture for silk production began over 1,000 years before Christ in China? In ancient times, silk was an extremely valuable product, reserved exclusively for royalty and the nobility of feudal dynasties. Since ancient times, Chinese history has recorded silk as precious treasures, respectfully offered by smaller nations to powerful countries. This further highlights the value and sophistication of silk. Today, China raises billions of silkworms each year to produce silk to meet domestic and global demand. And now, we will explore the process of raising silkworms and producing silk in China, from traditional farms to modern technological applications. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support us so that we can create even better videos. The silkworm breeds are carefully selected to ensure the best quality for the eggs and the health of the next generation. The silkworm eggs are laid in large batches, and farmers meticulously collect them and place them in specialized incubation environments, where they are carefully tended to ensure healthy development. After incubation, the eggs usually hatch within 7 days. The newly hatched larvae are about 1/8 inch long and need to be kept in a tightly controlled environment. The young silkworms begin a phase of rapid development. Farmers provide fresh mulberry leaves, which are the main food source for the larvae. The mulberry leaves are chopped and continuously fed to ensure sufficient nutrition for strong growth of the larvae. The process of feeding silkworms is mainly done manually, but thanks to the creativity of Chinese farmers, support equipment has been developed to optimize this process. The application of modern technology in sericulture has helped China strengthen its leading position in the silk industry. Throughout the rearing process, silkworms only eat mulberry leaves, and they consume a lot, especially when entering the mature stage. Therefore, cultivating and caring for lush green mulberry fields becomes a vital task to ensure an abundant food supply for the silkworms. From an initial size of about 1/8 inch, silkworms grow up to 3.5 inches. Due to their rapid growth, they molt a total of 4 times during this process. Each stage of growth and molting is called an instar. Farmers often use lime powder to thoroughly disinfect the silkworm rearing area and maintain the ideal pH level for the breeding environment. Thanks to this care, the silkworm rearing space is always kept clean and safe, creating the best conditions for the healthy development of the silkworms. When the silkworms gradually turn yellow, it is a sign that they have entered the most important stage of their life cycle, cocoon formation. Farmers prepare square wooden frames as places for the silkworms to develop optimally during this process. These wooden frames are then hung or placed in cool, well-ventilated areas to create ideal conditions for the silkworms. As a result, cocoons are formed with the highest quality, ready to become the raw material for exquisite silk fabrics. After the silkworms complete the process of spinning silk and forming beautiful cocoons, the next step is harvesting the cocoons. The timing of the harvest is crucial, as it affects the quality and durability of the silk fibers. These tools may look simple but greatly assist farmers, making the harvesting process quicker and easier. People are truly creative, aren't they? Each farm can harvest millions of cocoons each season. The cocoons are processed to remove low-quality ones, retaining only the best cocoons for producing high-quality silk. This work still requires the skillful hands of humans, which no machine can replace. Silk production companies in China purchase large quantities of cocoons from farmers at attractive prices, providing a significant source of income for silkworm farmers. At the factory, the cocoons are processed again to remove low-quality ones. After that, the cocoons are put through a boiling process, which helps separate the silk fibers easily, while also killing bacteria and removing impurities, ensuring the perfect quality of the silk. Before the advent of machinery, the silk reeling work was done manually by skilled and experienced farmers, with meticulousness and skillful hands. The softened cocoons are fed into the reeling machine, where the silk thread from each cocoon is drawn out and wound into a continuous strand. Typically, a single silk thread is made from multiple cocoons to ensure length and durability. The reeling machine enhances efficiency and ensures the uniformity of the silk thread. The silk rolls are then placed onto modern weaving machines to begin their magical journey of being transformed into smooth, fine fabric. Today's advanced technology and modern machinery have made this process much faster and easier compared to the traditional hand-operated looms of the past. However, each piece of silk woven by handcrafted methods still retains the meticulous effort and essence of a traditional craft that has been elevated by the hands and intelligence of humans. So, we have explored the magical journey of Chinese silk together, a unique product that has existed for thousands of years, embodying the hard work and essence of generations of skilled artisans. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue joining us in discovering more interesting and inspiring topics in upcoming videos.